The UK is a huge market, and it's one of the many jurisdictions we look at when we are analyzing and assessing the best Forex brokers in the world. Talk to our viewers about what we've been looking at in the UK. So in 2024, we've got every single published spread of the Forex brokers. Welcome. The UK, we've got a top 10 UK Forex broker list that we promote and share, and people engage with and ask our questions about. Who have we recommended as the best broker in the UK in 2024? Let's go into the reasons. First of all, we did execution speed testing. Execution speed is how fast the trades are made within the trading platform. Our own testing, when we opened 20 different of the top brokers' open MT4 accounts randomly over 2 periods, showed that Pepperstone was one of the fastest brokers. Period. Then we looked at the spreads, especially the raw account, and we found that Pepperstone had one of the lowest of all the FCA-regulated brokers. So, we've got the lower spreads and the fastest execution speeds. And then you look at the trading platforms. They've got everyone: MT4, MT5, C-Trader, Trading B. So, whatever your preference is, they've got it. And then they've got award-winning customer service. They've really got all bases covered. We've got all 2024 bases covered. They're locally based within the UK and have been around for several years. Who have we recommended at number 2 in our list of best brokers in the UK? Okay, FXCM is one. It's an interesting one. We rated them second just because they offer the best range of tradable instruments. When it comes to Forex markets, CFDs, shares, commodities, etc., we know from the feedback we've received that there's a niche of UK traders who want to trade a wide variety of instruments. However, you can't trade things like Bitcoin because of the FCA. They aren't that competitive on spreads, so you'll be paying more to trade these exotic instruments. But if you're looking for breadth of instruments, they're the clear winners. So that's number 2, FXCM, clear winner. Third, who would you recommend at number 3 to traders in the UK? Plus 500 for beginner traders. Once again, a different niche. Plus 500 has its own trading platform designed for real beginners. Easy to use and understand, with good customer service. If you're a beginner, Plus 500 is a great choice. Training low volume? Maybe wear the fees because it's easier to use and you'll get good customer service. If you start trading more, definitely move to someone like Pepperstone. One of the biggest factors when it comes to profit and loss is the brokerage. So if you're paying a big chunk of your profits in brokering fees, what's the point? I opened both. We opened Plus 500. It was the easiest to open and the easiest to use of all the platforms. That's what it's been designed for. It's really good on mobile. The actual app is great. I played around with it as well. Obviously not to the extent that you and Ross have. But it's easy to use. It's basically like point and shoot. If you're a share trader, it has similar logic to it. Plus 500 is good based on usability and ease of executing trades, but has negative points when it comes to fees. Okay. Do we have a special mention for the UK in 2024? I know we've spoken about companies like eToro, City Index, Oanda, and even ACAP in the past. Who would you say rounds out our top 3 with an honorable mention? I'd say ACAP. Their FCA application is pending, but we've heard on the grapevine that they have something coming in the UK. We're just not sure when it's going to happen, and they might not know either. ACAP is an Australian-based broker with a global presence. We did a spread comparison, which you can see on our website, and ACAP has one of the lowest spreads. So look, we're disclaiming right now, they are not FCA regulated. They're ASIC regulated in Australia, but if you're really looking for that lowest fee option, ACAP will be your target. Alright, so the special mention, again, just to summarize, is ACAP in the UK for 2024. The third place broker was Plus 500, mainly for beginners, because of their easy-to-use trading platform. But just a note on the fees, they are expensive. So if you are going to be trading at high volume, it's probably not the best choice. They've got a withdrawal fee, and I don't like the idea of taking out money and having to pay for that privilege. Correct. Then second was FXCM. They've got an incredible range of markets. I mean, if you're looking to trade anything from commodities to indices to ETFs to Forex, they've got them all covered. A lot of the questions we get from traders are around, oh, can I trade this exotic? Can I trade this currency pair? Can I trade this commodity? And the answer to a lot of those questions is yes with FXCM. So that's why they're at number 2 in the UK. And number 1 in the UK, they have been for a while, is Pepperstone. And that's because they are just a well-rounded Forex broker. They've got all the features that most people are after with a broker. They've got the trading platforms, they've got MT4, MT5, TradingView, CTrader. They've got all those trading platforms. Their fees are low, the execution speeds are good. There really wasn't a lot that we found wrong with Pepperstone, which is why we've given them the ranking of #1 in the UK in 2024. Leave a comment below, and please don't hesitate to like and subscribe and share our videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.